Hey there, welcome to episode 4. Today we're diving into the prehistoric ring, where our contender isn't just any dinosaur. It is a boxing champ. This render is based on Miguel Bouchard's illustration. You can find all the links in the video description. This isn't just about sculpting, it's about turning your imagination into a 3D reality. Here's what's coming up. First we lay the foundation by literally sculpting the base. Then we unleash the colors in vector paint mode. And then, last but not least, the best part, the grease pencil tool. Well, and after that we get the ground reveal. Trust me, it's gonna be amazing. Alright team, let's get the sculpting party started. We start with the most basic shape, a sphere, like always. While it might be difficult to think about the project in its fullness, it's important to get the rough shape, our foundation, right, and work step by step on the details. One mistake I did in my beginning days was to run to the details like a squirrel in a special, while not having the right foundation yet. It would frustrate me so much that I actually didn't sculpt for years. Well, they just suck. Anyway, here are the 3 tools I use the most for the beginning part. It's the grab brush, clay stripes, and then, most importantly, the remesh function. With the R key, you just adjust the remesh size, and then you hit Ctrl R like a boss. As you can see, I reuse the head shape for the neck and torso. It's like recycling, but for pixels, you know. Then I add the legs and the arms. Next I start sculpting on the eye socket and place a sphere as a fake eyeball. I continue by sculpting a few rough details. Next up I work on the boxing gloves and then the teeth. And once those are done, I work on the pants and the tongue. Oh, and the eyeball spheres. I replaced them with eyes from the Free Tiny Eyes add-on. Finally I get to work on the punch bag, but don't go anywhere. Let's add some color. Alright, time to bring out the palette. We're sticking to the colors of the illustration. Let's make this dino pop. If you enjoyed this content so far, consider liking this video, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, consider subscribing. Your boy gotta feed the family. Hold on to your stylists, folks. We add personality, attitude, and maybe even a cheeky grin. Change into orthographic view, add a new grease pencil object and set the mode to surface detection. Then draw over the whole model with black, and after that add some highlights on white. Add a noise modifier to the grease pencil object on top and you are ready to go. Ladies and gentlemen, and dinos of all ages, feast your eyes on our boxing champion! Remember that mystery and result? Well, here it is. Thanks for joining me on this creative journey. If you enjoyed watching our episode, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your fellow artists. Hit us up directly on Instagram at breadfortoday_3D. Until next time, keep sculpting, keep dreaming, and remember, every dino has a fighter within.